Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a Perplexity AI API key. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Perplexity AI website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and then click the downward arrow. From the menu that appears, select All Settings. On the Settings page, look for the API section. If you haven't created an API group yet, click on API and it will open a setup window. Here, you'll need to enter an API name, a short description, and your billing details. You'll also have to add a payment card because API access requires a pro subscription. After filling out all the required fields and confirming your billing information, go to API keys. Since I don't have any credits, I can't create an API key. But if you do have credits, simply click on Generate API Key. Perplexity will instantly create your API key, and you can copy it to use in your project or integrations. And that's it. That's how you can get your Perplexity AI API key. So that's all for this video.